Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 38 and teach you how to use there will be, there was, there have been in our day-to-day life. For example, there has been an accident. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 38. There was, there were, there has, there have been, and there will be. Section A. There was or there were. There is a train every hour. The time now is 11:15. There was a train at 11 o'clock. Compare there is or there are, and there was and there were. There is nothing on TV tonight. There was nothing on TV last night. We are staying at a very big hotel. There are 550 rooms. We stayed at a very big hotel. There were 550 rooms. Is everything okay? Are there any problems? Was everything okay yesterday? Were there any problems? I am hungry, but there isn't anything to eat. I was hungry when I got home, but there wasn't anything to eat. Section B. There has been or there have been. It's present perfect tense. Look, there has been an accident. This road is very dangerous. There have been many accidents. Compare there was an accident last night. Not there has been an accident last night. It's wrong. Section C. There will be. Do you think there will be a lot of people at the party on Saturday? The manager of the company is leaving, so there will be a new manager soon. I am going away tomorrow. I'll do my packing today because there won't be time tomorrow. Now it's time for exercises. 38.1. Look at the two pictures. Now the room is empty. But what was in the room last week? Choose from the box and write sentences with there was or there were. An armchair, some books, a carpet, a clock, some flowers, 3 pictures, a sofa, a small table. Number 1. There was a clock on the wall near the window. Number 2. There was a carpet on the floor. Number 3. There were 3 pictures on the wall near the door. Number 4. There was a small table in the middle of the room. Number 5. There were some flowers on the table. Number 6. There were some books on the shelves. Number 7. There was an armchair in the corner near the door. Number 8. There was a sofa opposite the armchair. 38.2. Write there was, there wasn't, was there, or there were, there weren't, were there. Number 1. I was hungry, but there wasn't anything to eat. Number 2. Was everything okay yesterday? Were there any problems? Number 3. I opened the envelope, but it was empty. There was nothing in it. Number 4. We stayed at a very nice hotel. Really? Was there a swimming pool? Number 5. Did you buy any bananas? No. There weren't any in the shop. Number 6. The wallet was empty. There wasn't any money in it. Number 7. Were there many people at the meeting? No, very few. Number 8. We did not visit the museum. There wasn't enough time. Number 9. I am sorry, I am late. There was a lot of traffic. Number 10. 20 years ago, there weren't many tourists here. Now there are a lot. 38.3. Write there plus is, are, was, were, has been, have been, will be. Number 1. There was a good film on TV last night. Number 2. There are 24 hours in a day. Number 3. There was a party at the club last Friday, but I didn't go. Number 4. Where can I get something to eat? There is a cafe at the end of the street. Number 5. Why are the police outside the bank? There has been a robbery. Number 6. When we arrived at the theatre, there was a long queue outside. Number 7. When you arrive tomorrow, there will be somebody at the station to meet you. Number 8. 10 years ago, there were 500 children at the school. Now, there are more than 1,000. Number 9. Last week, I went back to the town where I was born. It's very different now. There have been a lot of changes. Number 10. I think everything will be okay. I don't think there will be any problems. This is the end of unit number 38. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 39. Till then, bye bye.